In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet points in Canva. Let's dive right in so you can enhance your designs and presentations with a personalized touch that's all your own. First, open Canva and select the design you want to work on or start a new project. Having a clear vision of what you want is really helpful here. Once your canvas is open and you're in the editor, pick the text box containing the bullet points you want to modify. If you don't have a text box yet, go ahead and add one by clicking on the text option on the left sidebar. It will be labeled quite clearly. Now, once you have your text box ready, click on it and navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. In Canva, the toolbar is your best friend. It's packed with tools that allow you to customize practically every aspect of your text. Look for the option that says List on this toolbar. This is where we will tweak our bullet points. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu filled with bullet point style options. As you explore these options, you'll notice some default styles which are simple dots and others that offer more flair. If the options you see don't match the particular style you're envisioning, Canva makes it incredibly easy to personalize your design further. Go back to your list option and review the symbols that are available. You might find an icon that better aligns with your theme or mood. Clicking on it will automatically replace the default bullet points in your text box. Here's a little insider tip: while in the text box, you can also play around with font types and sizes to make your bullet points stand out even more. Just click on a bullet point and highlight it. From there, head back to your toolbar, and you'll be able to switch up the font style, size, and even color, ensuring your bullet points truly match the design aesthetic you're aiming for. After fine-tuning those bullet points to your satisfaction, make sure to preview your entire design as a whole. This step is crucial to check that everything looks cohesive and nothing seems out of place. Also, remember to save your work frequently. There's nothing worse than making those perfect adjustments only to lose them. In closing, changing bullet points in Canva is not just about altering their appearance, it's a way to express your unique design sensibility in a subtle yet impactful way. Design is all about the details, and the more these details reflect your personality or message, the more engaging your project will be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.